Attorney Mike Monteforte here, answering the question, what makes us different? So we are asked that a lot during consultations where clients will ask us how we differ from other estate planning attorneys in the area. And I give three basic reasons, all right? The first is that we've got a streamlined intake process where you are able to provide a lot of the basic information to us online using the internet. We've got secure forms that we send to you by email that get completed by you on your timeline. So what we're really trying to do is respect your time and how busy you are, rather than force you to take time out of your work day to come into the office for a consult meeting, or even to have to spend additional telephone time taken out of your day. We send you the documents that you can fill out from your home at night in your pajamas in front of your computer, and you do that on your timeline. We don't need to be present, so it can be done after business hours. So we've put together this streamlined intake process where we're able to collect a lot of the information online, and no one else in our area is doing that. The next reason that I give to clients who ask is that we treat every client as an individual and look at each client situation on a case-by-case basis. We don't regurgitate the same documents over and over again that have been used for years and years. First of all, we make sure that all of our documents are consistently updated to deal with changes in the laws and in the regulations, but we look at each case individually to determine the best estate plan for that person or family, business owner, whatever the case may be. We treat everyone differently. Once I have a consultation with a client, I really sit down with my notes from that consultation and digest those notes before making recommendations to the client. The last thing that I point out to clients is that we don't nickel and dime you for every little thing. Once I make my recommendations on what I think will work for you for an estate plan, I give all of my pricing up front. There's no secrets, no surprises, and those prices are flat rates. What happens is if we do these things by the hour, clients get scared to call on the phone and ask questions, or scared to email and ask questions because they're afraid that their bill's going up. I do not charge for phone calls. I do not charge for emails. I would prefer that you ask the question so that I have the opportunity to answer it. That's what I'm here for. And sometimes those questions and answers will affect the type of estate plan that you need. So I encourage you to call or email with questions. And I don't want you to be worried about your bill when that happens. So we quote everything up front with flat rates. The price that we give you is the price. It doesn't change regardless of how many times we meet, how many times we talk, or how many revisions that we need to do. Most attorneys don't work that way. They charge hourly, and when it's done that way, you really have no idea from the outset where your bill is going to end up. So we provide all that information to you up front so you can make an informed decision about what you want to do. And one last thing, so this is a little bit of a bonus item for, ask what makes us different. I have written a book on estate planning and elder law. That book is in the publication process now. It is completed and being printed in mid-January. Most of the other estate planners in our area may have written articles here and there, but not an actual book about estate planning and elder law. I have done that, and we provide that to our clients free of charge.